Welcome students to your maths class. In this video, we will learn all about pictographs, what are pictographs, and how do we read them. So let us begin. Pictographs are pictorial representation of the data. For example, you can see number of apples sold. Instead of writing numbers, we have used the picture of apples. The data of apple represented in the form of pictures, so it is called pictograph. And it shows large amount of data in a tabulated form or tabular form, and it can have one picture can use different keys. For example, one apple is equals to 10 apples in this pictograph. So in January, number of apples sold, we can see one picture of apple is there. That means 10 apples were sold in January. And since full apple is 10, so half apple will be equal to 5. So we can see in March, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 apples were sold. So we can read pictographs using the key. So it is very imperative, very important to understand that one picture of the pictograph can have one or multiple data. Let us show you one more example here. Reading a pictograph where one picture is equals to one data only, one vote only. Now favorite fruits of children were asked, and the options were apple, pear, grapes and bananas. So how many children voted for apple? How we can see? One vote is one smiley only. So for apples there were, let us count the number of votes. Since one smiley is one vote, so we'll just count and write the number. So apples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 children voted for apples. Now how many pears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 children voted for pears. You can write the answer here. Grapes, only 2 children voted for grapes. And bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children voted for bananas. So the total number of children who voted in this picture, we can find it out by adding 10 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6. That is 25 children voted in all in this pictograph. Now let us see one more example in which one picture is equals to 2 apples here. Now, so on Monday, how many apples were sold? So we will count the number of pictures multiplied by 2. So let us count for Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 2, apples sold on Monday is 12. Tuesday, 3 into 2, 6. Wednesday, 7 into 2, 14. Why we are multiplying by 2? Because the key one apple, one picture of apple is actually equals to 2 apples. So Thursday, 2 into 2, that is 4 apples were sold. Friday, 6 into 2, that is 12 apples were sold. Saturday, 11 into 2, that is 22 apples were sold. But on Sunday, no sale was there, since we can see there is no picture of any apple drawn here. So it is very important to find out the key, what the key says, and then find the answer of the data per day or whatever the case may be. Let us see. Now here we have used another key, and that is one picture of ice cream is actually equals to 4 ice cream sold. We can see here one whole ice cream is 4, so half will be 2. So let us find out. We have to calculate the number of ice cream sold in each day here, and then we will write the answers for these questions that are based on this pictograph. So Monday, 2 pictures of ice cream multiplied by 4, that is 8. Now on Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4 full ice creams are there. 4 into 4, 16 plus half ice cream, that is plus 2. 16 plus 2, that is 18 ice creams were sold. So ice cream sold on Tuesday is 18. Monday only 8. 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 ice creams. Now ice cream sold on Sunday. So let us calculate by counting and then multiplying by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fours are 24. Now next question is, how many more were sold on Sunday than Saturday? So what is the count for Sunday? We have calculated 24, and for this we have calculated, let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 4, that is 20. So 24 minus 20, that is 4 more ice creams were sold on Sunday than Saturday. And total sale of the week, that means all the days we have to find out the number and then add. So let us see. Let us count the total ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have left this half. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 into 4, that is 100. Plus let us count the halves. 1, 2, 3 halves, that is 3 into 2, 6. So 100 plus 6, that is total ice cream sold in the entire week is 106 ice creams. So it becomes very easy. We must just remember the key that is used in the pictograph and we can answer the questions very easily. Let us see one more example. Now here, one picture is equals to 50 pumpkins. You can see the key is written here. One pumpkin is 50 pumpkins. Picture is 50. So who harvested the most? So we can see who has the most pumpkins. Edwin is the correct answer here. Next one. How many pumpkins did Jacob harvest? So Jacob, 50 plus 50, 100 plus half pumpkin. So 50, half is 25. So 100 plus 25, that is 125. Now question 3 here is asking who harvested 250 pumpkins. So let us see. Danny had 200, Jacob had 125. Now let us count for Ray. 5 times 50, that is 250. That means Ray has harvested 250 pumpkins. The correct answer here will be Ray. Now name the farmers who harvested the same number of pumpkins. We can see Danny has 4 pumpkins and Alex also has 4 pumpkins. So the farmers who harvested the same number is Danny and Alex. Now Danny harvested more pumpkins than Ray. Is that true? Danny had 200 and Ray, as we calculated, had 250. So this is a false statement. I hope reading a pictograph and answering the questions based on the pictograph is now very clear to all of you. Now let us move on to see how we can draw a pictograph. If certain amount of data is given, then how we can show this data in the form of a pictograph. So let us read. Now to draw a pictograph for people going for morning walk. So now the number of people going for morning walk in Sunday is 600, Monday is 800, Tuesday 500, Wednesday 400, Thursday 1000, Friday 900 and Saturday 700. So these are all numbers in the hundreds. That means we can say instead of drawing 600 people, we can use a very good key in whose table all these numbers will come. That is 100. In the table of 100, 600 will come, 800, all these data can come in the table of 100. So the key can be any number which is common factor of all the data. That means in which table all the number of the data will come. So here we are taking 100. So 6 into 100 is 600. For Sunday, we'll draw 6 pictures. For Monday, 800. That means 8 into 100. So 8 pictures we'll draw for Monday. Tuesday, 5 into 100. So 5 pictures we'll draw to make it 500 for Tuesday. Wednesday, 4 into 100. So 4 pictures. Thursday, 10 into 100, so 10 pictures, and Friday 9 into 100, so 9 pictures, and Saturday 7 into 100, that is 7 pictures. So we will draw these number of pictures and we can represent that same data that was given in this table. We can show it in the form of pictograph. We just have to write down very clearly that one smiley represents 100 persons. So Sunday 600. How? Because we have made 6 smileys and one smiley is 100. So similarly, Monday 8 smileys, Tuesday 5 into 100, 5 smileys, Wednesday 4 into 100, 4 smileys, Thursday 10 into 100, that means 10 smileys, Friday 9 into 100, that is 9 smileys, and Saturday 7 into 100, that means 7 smileys are representing the same data that is written here. So just the thing that we have to remember is whatever data is given for which we have to draw the pictograph, we should find out the most appropriate key, that is the number which is common factor to all the data. I hope you have understood how to read the pictograph and how to draw a pictograph. Do practice sums and do watch the video again to understand the concept. Thank you for watching.